Hey guys, it's Amy from mycouponingbuddy.com here. We have lots and lots of new great coupons this morning and lots of coupon resets for current deals. So what happens is the 15th of each month some coupons reset, which means that you can get 2 more prints of the printable coupon. You know how sometimes you go to the coupon and it says limit reached after you've printed 2? Well, when they reset mid-month, you can get 2 more prints, and it will not say limit reached anymore. So, some of the great deals that the coupons reset for is Scrubbing Bubbles, Ben & Jerry's, White Castle, which is next week, and Purdue Chicken. These 3 deals are going on now: Scrubbing Bubbles, Ben & Jerry's, and Purdue Chicken. White Castle is next week, but grab 2 more prints for that. Also, a brand new Maybelline coupon came out, making the cover sticks free. And a Ben & Jerry's coupon came out for the ice cream. We currently have one for the cookie dough, but one came out for the ice cream. And a Chic Razor coupon came out for the $3 off sale next week, making them 99 cents. And I posted some other deals this morning as well, which I will update you on later. I'm going to put the links to all these coupon resets below and the new deals that I posted this morning with the new printable coupons. I'm going to put a link to everything in the video description below. Happy couponing!